When am I going to get to do my first burnout so people can call the police in my town and say there was a red car with a big white wing on the back doing a burnout? I don't know how a mechanic worked on this.
I don't think little people like you did work on it. I think he was probably taller.
Oh, you know, he drinks those rock stars because he thinks he's funny. Off camera, Jethro Dull. ZZ Flop.
So that's what you've been doing all this time? Revealing a car to a customer who's been waiting years to get it back or to be able to see some major progress on it is as fun for me as it is for them the first time they see it. 469 wow. Charger Daytona.
That's cool.
It looks so good. Can I touch it?
Sure.
The paint job on this.
It's like candy.
It looks wet.
Wow. Tom, I wanted very much to have the motor in it, but we had a little setback this week.
Right.
So I did put all the suspension underneath it so you can at least see how it's going to set.
Yep.
I also saved a big piece of candy for you. I'm going to let him know we put the spoiler on. You girls can help.
And you did leave the overspray, like I said.
Well, yeah, like I said.
Yeah. I'd have never been able to put together if it hadn't been for you,
Well,
Tom.
you told me to do all the research, Sloda, so...
What, I'm sorry?
The Jedi Master, Sloda.
I don't think you're in any position.
You like that?
Ooh, you got me. Yeah. Meatball head, potato face. Uh-oh,
I'll tell you one thing, I don't know how a mechanic worked on this. Did anything from
I don't
the front.
think little people
all
like
from the
you
side.
did work on it. I think he was probably taller.
Mr. Funny. You know, he drinks those rock stars because he thinks he's funny. Off camera, Jethro Dull. ZZ Flop.
So that's what you've been doing all this time? You've been planning this all that time?
No, just...
That's the kind of dissension I get? He's gone for months. He's got Google at his fingertips and he comes up with Jethro Dull? That's it? ZZ Flop? That's child's play. What about... how would you like the honors of putting on the coolest piece? I really did save that because I know you've been talking about it forever. You interested in helping me put it on?
Absolutely. I'll do whatever else you want.
You want to put, well, you want to put the kids to work?
Yeah, I want them to do it, at least so they can say they did something, you know?
I think it'd be a cool family thing.
Oh, yeah.
Cassie and Brittany, would you like to help us put the spoiler on?
Absolutely.
All you're gonna do, we'll hold it in place. I trust you. All you gotta do is put the nuts on the bottom. Then I'll tighten them all down.
Listen.
The girls did.
Okay, line me up in those fronts, roll over. I can't see everything.
The holes don't line up.
Well, no, because you have to go at it.
Oh, look at that.
Look at that.
Beautiful.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Oh, I think the wing just makes the car. The white wing and the white Daytona stripe really add to the car. It just makes the car totally. It's beautiful.
So, when am I going to get to do my first burnout so people can call the police in my town and say there was a red car with a big white wing on the back doing a burnout?
You wanna know when your car's gonna be done?
When's it going to be done?
1 month. I need 1 more month.
Okay.
I have absolutely everything to finish it.
Well, Mark says it'll be done in a month. I tend to want to believe him. I know it's taken a couple of years to get to this point. I know there's still a lot left to do on the car, but I think it's going to be awesome when it's done. Hopefully it will be a month. If not, I'm going to give him one of those Novocaines that he wants to give to everybody else. You know, I'm just looking forward to it. We're so close. I feel like we're seeing that light at the end of the tunnel. The finish line is approaching. Not to use a pun with a car.